Assalamu alaikum students, I am Guzar Fali, your chemistry tutor, and welcome to MD-CAT chemistry crash course. And today we are going to talk about MCQs of stereochemistry. And our first question is, which class of organic compounds does not show position isomerism? Alpha is aldehyde, beta is ketone, Charlie is alcohol, and delta is alkyl halide. The alpha is aldehyde. In aldehydes, formyl group is present. So in this case, this formyl group is present at the terminal position. तो aldehydes के केस में हमारे पास जो formyl group होता है वो terminal position पे होता है. That's why the aldehyde does not show position isomerism. Beta is ketone. Beta is ketone. In ketone, carbonyl group is present. That's why the ketones show position isomerism. So this isomer and this isomer are position isomers of each other because the same functional group just change the position. Here this is carbon number 1, this is carbon number 2, and this is carbon number 3, this is carbon number 4, this is carbon number 5. So this is called pentanone, 3-pentanone, and this is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called 2-pentanone. The functional group is present at 2 position. Here the functional group is present at 3 position. So this is 2-pentanone. This is 3-pentanone. This is 2-pentanone. So they are position isomers of each other. And the alcohols. In case of alcohols, so in case of alcohols, we will observe that at carbon number 1 hydroxyl group is attached. Here at carbon number 2 hydroxyl group is attached. Such isomers that having same molecular formula and same molecular formula, and same functional group but different position of the same functional group. ऐसे आइसोमर जिनका मोलिकुलर फार्मूला सेम हो, फंक्शनल ग्रुप सेम हो, लेकिन फंक्शनल ग्रुप की पोजीशन डिफरेंट हो, ऐसे आइसोमर्स को हम पोजीशन आइसोमर्स कहते हैं. तो अल्फा पे देखिए एल्डिहाइड्स में टर्मिनल पोजीशन के ऊपर फॉर्माइल ग्रुप पर प्रेजेंट है. बीटा जो हमने कीटोन्स की एग्जांपल ली है, तो इसमें देखिए हमारे पास ये 3-पेंटानोन है, ये 2-पेंटानोन है. तो यहाँ भी क्या है, सेम फंक्शनल ग्रुप की पोजीशन डिफरेंट है. यहाँ पे चार्ली में हमारे पास एल्कोहल है, दिस इज 1 प्रोपानोल, दिस इज 2 प्रोपानोल. सो they having same molecular formula and same functional group with different position, and delta is alkyl halides. If we replace this hydroxyl group with some halide group, then it becomes, this is 1 halopropane, this is 2 halopropane. This is the halo group attached at the carbon number 1 and it is attached at the carbon number 2. So these are two compounds that have same molecular formula and same functional group with different positions. So they are also position isomers of each other. So our aldehyde is the right answer. Aldehyde are such organic compounds that does not show position isomerism. And the second question is, how many stereoisomers are possible for 2,3-butanediol? So for such in order to determine such stereoisomer, we use formula 2 raised to power n-1 plus 2 raised to power n/2 minus 1, where n is the even number of chiral carbons. अगर हमारे पास कोई ऐसा कंपाउंड है जिसके अंदर इवन नंबर ऑफ काइरल कार्बन्स प्रेजेंट है, तो हम ये फार्मूला लगा के उसके नंबर ऑफ स्टीरियोआइसोमर्स को डिटरमाइन कर लेंगे. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम ड्रा करते हैं 2,3-ब्यूटेन-डायोल का स्ट्रक्चर, तो हम देखेंगे कि कितने chiral carbons present हैं. This is carbon number 2, this is carbon number 3. So this is butane 2,3 diol. This is a chiral carbon because it is bonded with 4 different groups. This is also a chiral carbon because it is bonded with 4 different groups. So there are 2 chiral carbons present. Now we place the value of n is 2. Then 2 raised to power 2 minus 1 plus 2 raised to power 2 divided by 2 minus 1. Then 2 raised to power 1 plus 2 raised to power 0. So these 2 isomers are the enantiomers. These two are enantiomers and they are optically active. And this isomer is meso compound. It is meso compound and it is optically inactive. Enantiomers are optically active compounds and the meso compounds are optically inactive compounds. So 3 isomers are possible. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 3 isomers are stereoisomers are possible for the 2,3-butane diol. So this is one stereoisomer of 2,3-butane diol. This is the second one. And this is the third one. So this is a meso compound. Meso compounds are such compound that consist of chiral carbon, but they are optically inactive. Due to the presence of plane of symmetry. तो हम यहाँ पे अगर देखें तो there is a plane of symmetry present, and due to presence of this plane of symmetry, the meso compounds are optically inactive compounds, and these two are enantiomers of each other. These two are enantiomers of each other because they are non-superimposable mirror images of each other.